This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Toy Crispy. Cozy beachside pool home features 3-bedroom 2-bath 1CA garage. Home renovations include newer kitchen west/granite, tile backsplash and SS appliances. Solid wood cabinets, engineered hardwood maple flooring, freshly painted interior west/crown molding throughout the home. Master bedroom has French doors opening to oversized screen patio. Master bath renovated includes features like dual sinks, jacuzzi tub, standalone shower west/body sprayers and dual shower head. Carrara marble walls and alabaster marble floors and mosaic touches. Enjoy your oversized pool and private backyard. North-south exposure makes this backyard great for evening entertaining. Pool storage house as well as shed for extra storage. Short distance to beach west/3 beach access areas. For more information, review the details below.